हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल राइट एसे ऑन हर घर तिरंगा। The national flag of any country is a matter of honor and pride for that country. This year, the celebration of our India's independence will be special. To commemorate the completion of 75 years of independence, this time the Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan is being run at every house. Under this, the Tiranga will be hoisted with public participation in more than 20 crore houses of the country. Our Tiranga symbolizes we are free. Remember, the ratio is 2:3. History of Indian flag. From ancient India to modern India, there used to be flag in every period. In ancient India, when there was a majority of Hindu rulers, then saffron colored flag was worshipped in the form of flag. There were many differences come in making the India national flag Tiranga, but due to some wise people the flag was divided into three main parts. It came to consider as indicator of peace, development and agriculture of India. Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. For all of us, the tricolor is very important and a matter of pride. Preparations have been made in the country for the celebration of 15th August, Independence Day. This year it will be very special because this time India is going to celebrate the 75th anniversary of independence. India is going to celebrate it as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on occasion of 75 years of independence. Our Tiranga is our pride. Let's unfurl it. The day of 15th August is a symbol of sacrifice of those heroes who gave us freedom from British rulers without caring for their lives. This Independence Day, our goal is that the national flag should be hoisted all over the country under Har Ghar Tiranga campaign at every house. Objective of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan has been started this year to commemorate 75 years of independence. This campaign will create a sense of patriotism in the heart of the citizen as well as increase awareness about the national flag. The main objective of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is to encourage more and more to every Indian to hoist the Tiranga in their home. Conclusion. The Tiranga national flag is the pride of India after crossing many hurdles. Insulting the national flag is an insult to the country. We all have to follow all the instructions related to the national flag seriously so that Har Ghar Tiranga campaign becomes successful. Every resident should participate with a harmonious spirit in this campaign. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम and wish you all the best for your future.